Aloha everyone, welcome back to the video. Hopefully you verify that your email address is correct and we're good to go. So now in this video I will be showing you how to connect your domain that you just bought with your hosting plan. Now first things first, let's go ahead and look at that domain name that we just bought. Let's go to the website, and as you can see, letscodetoday.com is registered and it's working, but it has a default web page that GoDaddy is providing for us. So we want to make sure that we're connected right away so we can get rid of this default web page. So let's go back and let's go to my account. And what we want to do, we want to connect our domain that we have to our web hosting. So let's go ahead and go to web hosting. And these are all of our hosting accounts. We only have one right now, and what we want to do is we want to go ahead and set up our cPanel. You'll be hearing cPanel being cPanel a lot. It's basically the panel or the website that we go to manage our hosting. And what it's doing for it, it's taking us through a wizard so that we can connect a domain to our hosting. So this is all the domains that we have, and we got one right here. Go ahead and click next, and the data center for your hosting, the computer that's connecting, allowing you to use to connect to your domain and show to the internet. And we're going to choose the recommendation North America. Go ahead and create a username. Follow the rules. And let's go ahead and create next. And it's asking us, do we want to create a WordPress website? Since we kind of have background with creating our own site, as long as you have HTML experience, then we can go ahead and create very basic front page. So we're gonna hit not now, because we are developers and we are going to make our own website from scratch. Give it some time to load. It's configuring the perfect server for us. It's creating our account. It's doing some computer things. It's being all fancy. Notifying global DNS of your account. And saying, hey, this account's being created. And it's saying our account is ready. And it is loading and taking us to our cPanel. Yay! Hooray! So all of this whole interface, very complex. It can be very overwhelming at first, but I will walk you through it. But first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna take a look at what's going on here. So our domain should be here, and our website IP address is right here. So make sure you have the right domain, and remember, whenever I say what's the IP address of your website, it's right here. So first things first, let's go to File Manager, because one of the first goals is we want to get rid of this default page and make it our own page. Gonna go to File Manager, make sure it's the right domain. We're gonna hit Go, and it's taking us basically into the server. And like in your regular computer, you have files, you have folders within folders. So we're gonna go to the page that has the default website for on a website, and we're gonna delete it, and we're just gonna put up a simple hello world. Check out your public HTML, and we are in it. And public HTML, and see this home.html. that is probably what they're doing. And to take a look into it, let's right click on it and let's hit edit. Yes, take me to the text editor. And yeah, it looks like this is GoDaddy's default. So we don't want that. And we are going to basically, we're going to right click here and we're going to hit delete. Trash. We're going to delete their files too. Can I delete it here? Where's delete? There's delete. Delete. And what we want to do is we want to create a file. We're going to do index.php. There it is. And we're going to right click and we're going to go to edit. Edit. And then here, let's put some HTML. Let's put a H tag. And let's go. Welcome to my site. We're going to hit save. We're going to close. And remember, if you name your file index, like index.php or index.html, what happens by default, your website, whatever directory or folder you're in, it will go to that index file. So here, let's try to refresh it and cross fingers it works. Yay! So we got our site up and running. We got rid of the GoDaddy default website, and now we can code and edit our own. So this is our first site. It's the home page. This is the start of letscodetoday.com, and we did it. So hopefully you guys got your site up and running, and basically this is the directory that you would be adding your files and folders and all of that in. Now in the upcoming videos, I will show you how to FTP using your NetBeans and to upload your files there directly like a real web developer. So for now, you guys can go ahead and play around with it and create your files through here. Don't get too deep into it yet, or you can, but in other videos, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your integrated development environment with your hosting. Alright, thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed.